Alright my people, here's my condo here in Osage Beach. I'm here for 2 months, 35 hundo out the door, Lake of the Ozarks. Let's go. VagaBondVito.
Rushing like August, tryna make a profit, tryna be on top of the FOMO walking, tryna break even, gotta be the piper, build up like a riser, gotta clean up my act, run it back, when I lost it, got me riding day and night till I hit the dirt, Dopamine, got me out of sight, take a red dot on my arm till I get it right. But time and time again, wonder if I made the correct decision. Was it really dodging bullets when I left my chance to be with her? Then my mind is telling me to stay sober, gotta get over, work hard and stay numb, gotta get over. Cash 22, 한복 되는 삶, what to do? Cash 22, 눈치 채자마자.
Alright boys and girls, that's a wrap here at Osage Beach. See you in the next one.
VagaBondVito.